Hey there everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is another video on SSIS. If you haven't watched my previous video of this series, then I would suggest please go and watch it. Today we are going to discuss about the basic components of SSIS like toolbox, control flow, data flow, connection manager. These components are going to use to create our package. So firstly it is very important to understand about these components before creating any packages. So firstly, let's discuss about the SSIS toolbox. When you create a new SSIS project or open an existing one, then the SSIS toolbox come in the left hand side automatically. All the components installed on your local machine automatically appear in the SSIS toolbox. If you are not able to view this toolbox, then firstly click on this packages, go to view, go to other window and click on this SSIS toolbox. Here we have the list of toolbox. We will use this tool in our later video session. Now let's discuss about control flow and the data flow. These are the most important component of the packages. A package could contain one control flow and one control flow could have multiple data flow. Control flow, it is a container. It contains multiple data flow. It shows the way of the data flow, in which way it is flowing. Data flow actually used to flow the data from one place to another place. Inside the data flow, we give the source and the destination from where we need to migrate the data and in which system we will migrate the data. Let's suppose we need to migrate the user's data in our system and user contain the lookup of the team. Firstly, we need to migrate the team data and then we will migrate the user's data. So let me give an example. In our control flow, we will add two data flow, this one and this one, and we will give the name of this data flow is team and the name of this data flow would be user. Now we will attach both data flow like this. Now it is showing in which way it is flowing. Firstly we will migrate the team data and then we will migrate the user data. Now to open the data flow, double click on it and in this data flow we will give the source and the destination. In this video session we are just looking at these basic components. Now let's move into our next component of the SSIS, which is connection manager. Connection manager is used to create a connection with your software. Suppose you want to create a one connection with the Excel or maybe SQL Server, maybe there is some other software. Then with the help of this connection manager, you can create a one connection. It manages all the connections. Let's create a new connection. Right click on this one, click on the new connection manager. By default, there are so many connection manager types are available. Suppose if you want to make a connection with the Excel, then you can use this connection manager type. And if you want to make a connection with your text file type, then you can use this one or maybe you can use this one. So that depends upon your requirement. Now click on this one, click add. Here you can give your Excel file path and then click OK. We will learn all this thing in a later video session. Hope you guys like this video. Then please share it and like it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel.